Hi, Legacy Motorcycles again. We're having a day out, Aaron and myself. We've come to Shelsley Walsh hill climb. It's a hill climb, it's the Bike Bonanza. Specifically today for motorcyclists, blasting up that hill. There's the famous Shelsley Walsh hill behind. Fantastic. We come here to try out the bobby. And we also, I've lost Darren, he's around somewhere. He was behind me on the road, but let's try and see. Oh, hang on, here he comes. He's here. This is him. He's going to park over there. He's going to come and park with me. At the new shock today. It's a Hagon shock. Try and iron out some of those bumps, but haven't found too much of a difference at the moment. We're also trying out the new decap pipe. Sounds absolutely awesome. Loving it. Oh, here he is. You alright, mate?
Yep.
How you getting on?
Good.
Yep.
So we've made it.
Yeah. How's the bike?
Running well. Yep. Testing out some of the mods. It's still in sort of fairly loose race trim from a few weeks back.
Yeah.
Thrown a number of plates on it and the mirrors, and we've got out.
How's the tyres?
The tyres are okay on the road, yeah.
Are those the same ones you used at Margate?
They are, yeah.
On the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Handle quite well on the road, to be fair, yeah.
I still see a few spicks of sand on them, you know.
The exhaust still sounding good.
Uh-huh.
Have to take an onboard video at some point.
Yeah. Okay.
The exhaust, you know, out on the road, out in the open road, it does sound a lot better than the standard pipe. So.
Superb. Just pass it over to you, you can have a little walk around with it. I'm going to watch these boys.